Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to put stickers on the photos on your iPhone. So at first we need to go straight into the Photos application and select our favorite photo, for example this one. Now we have to tap these 3 lines to edit our photo, and before that I do recommend to select the favorite frame if we do the live photo, because markup deletes all our changes and all our changes in live. Here now we have to tap this pen icon in the top right corner and tap OK. And what you see now is that we can paint on our photo. So now to add sticker we have to tap this plus icon in top bottom right corner, and here as you can see we have image description, a sticker, a text, signature, shape and loop. We have to tap add sticker, and here as I think, yes, I don't have any stickers, but here you'll see your stickers and you can add either yours or this iPhone pre-created. As you can see, our sticker is here. We can make it bigger and here. Now to save we have to tap this tick icon in top right corner, and our markup should be done. And if you have some questions, ask me in the comments below. Goodbye!